Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Professor Dr. Rizwan Jamil Qureshi. Welcome to the new lecture of Web Engineering, the Chapter 7 Active Server Pages. ASP, Active Server Pages, is a scripting language and its extension is .asp. Many applications are developed using ASP. It contains HTML tags and the scripting code. We are using VB as a scripting language. Internet Information Server (IIS) is used to host web applications like Apache server, WAMP server. As the name is indicating, it is used to host web applications. IIS is more than just a port of a couple of internet services to Windows NT Server. IIS is an extensible platform that is used to customize web applications according to the requirements of the clients. It consists of Windows NT services used to publish content using TCP/IP protocol, and underlying mechanism is World Wide Web server, FTP server, Gopher server. The key to understand how this works that IIS provides services to the clients. IIS API application programming interface is used by IIS server to execute web applications. We have CGI platform and we have IIS API platform. Apache server uses CGI and IIS is used by the Microsoft applications, PHP applications. Biggest difference between CGI and IIS API, CGI is not an API, it's a protocol, whereas IIS API is an application programming interface. It's a dynamic link library to execute the web applications in the same address space as the www publishing service. IIS API DLL is much faster than the CGI and it consumes less resources. That means we can serve to the more clients. We can have online calculator, database access. For database access, we have ODBC, Open Database Connectivity. IIS API applications can access any ODBC compliant database. ODBC is an application programming interface for database access. It uses structured query language. To make a database connectivity, we have to link your application to the database using the ODBC data source. ODBC source administrator in the administrative tools. So you can see the screen when you click on ODBC data source administrator. Click on the add button to add Microsoft Access driver or Microsoft SQL or Oracle. Select Microsoft Access driver because we are using Access database and press finish button. Then you select the database from your computer and select the folder from where database is located and write the name of the database in the data source name and press OK button. The selected database will be added to the ODBC connection. Repeat the same procedure for the system DSN. ASP is a server-side script. Let's do some examples like we have done for the JavaScript. This is the line we use for VB for server-side scripting, and this is the opening tags and closing tags. Sequence programming using ASP. Display hello world using ASP. Opening tag for ASP response.write hello world. We close the ASP closing tag and that is the execution of hello world. Selection programming using ASP. Add two numbers using ASP. We need to develop two pages, action page and response page. In our case, sum.asp and resadd.asp. Sum.asp. HTML body, center tags, form, method is equal to post, action is equal to resadd.asp. Enter first number, input type is equal to text, name is equal to num1 txt, break, enter second number, input type is equal to text, name is equal to num2 txt, input type is equal to submit, name is equal to submit, value is equal to add. We close the form tag, we close the HTML tag. resadd.asp, HTML body, we start the ASP Visual Basic Script tag, dim num1, num2, sum, num1 is equal to 80, num2 is equal to 90, sum is equal to num1 plus num2, response.write, the average of two numbers is resadd.asp, if average greater than 80, response.write A grade, else if average is greater than 70, response.write B grade, else if average is greater than 60, response.write C grade, else response.write E grade, and we close the script, we close the body, we close the HTML. That is the execution of grade.asp. Repetition programming using ASP. Display numbers between 0 to 5 using ASP. We are using for loop. HTML body, the ASP scripting tag is opened for I is equal to 0 to 5, response.write the numbers is and the I variable, and we have the BR. Next, close the script, close the body, we close the HTML. That is the execution. Database programming using ASP. Design a database in MS Access or MS SQL Server. In our case, MS Access is used. Database name lecture, LECT, lect. Design a table name student. Establish ODBC connection as previously mentioned in the user DSN. So you can see the ODBC connection is established. Add and view record. We need to develop two pages, v.asp and res.add.asp. v.asp, HTML body center h2 add record, form method is equal to post, action is equal to res.add.asp, table border is equal to 1, tr table row, td table column, enter name, close the td, open td, input type is equal to text, name is equal to s name, enter age, input type is equal to text, name is equal to s age, input type is equal to submit, value is equal to submit, close the table, h2 view record, open the ASP script, set database is equal to server.create object ADODB.connection, database.open, driver is equal to Microsoft Access driver, static.mdb, dbq is equal to underscore, and server.map path, lecture.mdb, password is equal to 786, SQL is equal to select from student, set record set is equal to database.execute SQL, close the script, table border is equal to 1, s name, age, script, do while not, record set dot end of file, close the script, td, open script, rst, s name, close the script, same we do for s age, record set dot move next, tr table rst dot close, body html, res.add dot asp, open script, set database is equal to server dot create object ADODB dot connection, database dot open, this is the connection string, s name is equal to request dot form, s name, s age is equal to request dot form, s age, SQL insert into student, s name, s age, select and s name as s name, s age as s age, database dot execute SQL, open the script, set database server dot create object ADODB connection, database dot open the driver, SQL select from student, record set is equal to database dot execute SQL, s name, age, do while not rst, record set dot end of file, close the script, rst s name, rst s age, rst dot move next, table record set dot close. So you can see v.asp, Rizwan Qureshi, enter name, 49 age, Rizwan Qureshi is added, delete record, we need to have two pages, delete.asp and rest.delete.asp, delete.asp, HTML head body, the form, action is equal to rest.del.asp, method is equal to get, enter name, input type is equal to text, name is equal to s name, input type is equal to submit, value is equal to delete, user, set database server.create object, the connection string, SQL is equal to select from student, set record set is database.execute SQL, record set dot end of file, close the script, open script, rst s name, rst s age, rst dot move next, loop, rst dot close, rest delete dot asp, HTML body, script is open, connection string is written, s name, request dot query string, s name, SQL is equal to delete from student where s name and s name, database dot execute SQL, close the script, data deleted, open script, connection string, SQL is equal to select from student, record set is equal to database dot execute SQL, table border is equal to 1, s name, age, do while not, record set dot end of file, rst s name, rst s age, rst dot move next, the loop, rst dot close, close the body, close the HTML, delete dot asp, enter name is Rizwan Qureshi, delete user, as you can see rest delete, Rizwan Qureshi, name is deleted, so record is deleted. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum.